Good afternoon, and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today, we are making deep dish chicken pot pie with sauce supreme for pie day. First, we're going to melt butter in a hot pan, add the shallots and oil, and saute until they're fragrant. Add the mushrooms and cook until they release their moisture. Add wine to the mushrooms and let it cook off. Then set the pan aside. In a larger pan, saute the onions and jalapeno until the onions are translucent. Then add the frozen vegetables and cook them thoroughly, letting all the excess moisture evaporate. Then add the rotisserie chicken and bolt everything together. Then put the mushrooms that you already cooked into the pan and combine. Then transfer the filling to a deep dish baking dish. Now it's time to make the sauce. First, we're going to melt the butter, and then you're going to add the chicken base and the vegetable base. Mix that together. Then you're going to add flour and cook that into a roux. Once that is done, you're going to add the cream and you're going to stir that well. Once it starts to thicken a little bit, stir in the mustard. Then you add a little bit more wine and let the sauce reduce until it's thick and glossy. And you're going to take that sauce and pour it over the filling. Top it with the crust, seal the edges, and cut in a little pie symbol and bake it until it's golden and bubbly. And that is your deep dish chicken pot pie with sauce supreme for pie day. Or actually, any day that's cold, it's great. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on The Good Plate. And remember, forever forward, forever flavorful. Yum, yum!